Para naman sa balitang sports, patuloy ang winning streak ng TNT Tropang Giga habang nakuha naman ng San Miguel Beermen ang kanilang ikalawang panalo ngayong Philippine Cup. Para sa detalye, narito ang report ni Maria Isabel Reyes. Rise and shine, Isabel!
Undefeated pa rin ang TNT Tropang Giga sa 2020 PBA Philippine Cup nang putulin nito ang winning streak ng Phoenix Super LPG Fuel Masters 110-91 Lunes ng gabi sa Angeles University Foundation Sports Arena and Cultural Center. Naghahabol ng 9 na puntos sa umpisa ng third quarter. Isang 65-37 blast ang ipinamalas ng Tropang Giga sa huling dalawang quarters para makuha ang panalo at solong liderato sa team standings. Sa kabila ng iniindang ankle injury, mainit pa rin ang shooting ni TNT guard RR Pugoy nang iskurin ang 20 sa kanyang 30 total points. Kasama ang 5 rebounds at 45% 3-point field goal shooting. Nakatuwang ni Pugoy si TNT center JP Eram na nagsumite ng kanyang ikalawang sunod na double-double nang maglista ng 18 points at 15 rebounds.
In the first half, we really having a hard time, their adjustments because they started so well and they started so strong. And I give credit to Phoenix also, for playing. They're not pushovers. And we're just lucky we adjusted the second half. Guarding po, RR, this kid is, we call him the Wolverine. Because I don't know, for us, I think, for us coaches, we're supposed to let him rest, but this kid really wants to play, and this is a very important game for us. We're just lucky to have players like that, all hard.
Nakuha naman ng 5-time defending Philippine Cup champions San Miguel Beermen ang ikalawa nitong panalo, matapos pabagsakin ang bottom-dwelling na Terra Firma Jeep 105-98. Ito ang unang panalo ng San Miguel mula pa noong Marso nang talunin nito sa opening game ng Philippine Cup ang Magnolia Hotshots. Nanguna para sa Beermen si center Moala Tautua na naglista ng 25 markers, 6 rebounds at 3 assists, habang mayroon namang double-double 20 points at 14 rebounds si veteran forward Arwin Santos. Pinunan naman ni na guards Bon Pesumal at Paul Zamar ang nabakanteng produksyon ni San Miguel star Terence Romeo matapos magtala ng 17 at 11 markers.
Finally, andito na uli ako. And I thought na it will be a long time because what happened to our team. But this time, the players' pride, so nag-exist dahil we don't want to be at 0-3 in the bubble, and that's the hardest time to get the first win in the bubble.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng aksyon sa PBA, maghaharap ang Magnolia Hotshots at Meralco Bolts alas 4 ng hapon at susundan naman ng Banggaang Blackwater Elite at Alaska Aces alas 6:45 ng gabi. Para sa Rise and Shine Pilipinas, Maria Isabel Reyes.